We're at our fourth workshop stop this week in the cool Mandeville, of course. And it's raining outside, but we'll not allow that to put a damper on things. As you know, February is Heart Month, so we'll be spending a little time talking about how we can prevent cardiovascular disease in 7 simple steps. Yes, 7 simple lifestyle changes that we can all make to ensure that we lower our risk of contracting heart diseases. For the 7, control your blood pressure, blood sugar level, cholesterol, eat healthy, exercise, maintain a decent body weight or a healthy body weight, and quit smoking. Food becomes you. Food becomes your thought, your actions, your hair, your skin, your nails, your blood. So don't just think about food as something that you eat and you just pass it out and that's not it. No. We get all of these sicknesses. We get the heart disease, the high cholesterol, the high blood pressure, all host of things that you can think of. If you're not eating well, all of these can follow. Increase our intake of fruits and vegetables because, like we said, healthy eating is the cornerstone to a healthy lifestyle. Our body is the only place that we have to live forever, so it makes sense that we take care of it by feeding it quality food, quality vitamins, and quality nutrients.
For the juice, it was good. I usually add sugar each time in my juice, but now I know I'll just make it the way she did.
And as such, the body needs water to function. Water is probably the only beverage that really satisfies dehydration. A lot of the times when you actually think that you're hungry, you're actually not hungry, you're actually thirsty. Your body is dehydrated, but in most cases our bodies aren't able to tell whether we're hungry or we're dehydrated.